Hi guys, welcome to Code World, and today we're going to discuss a problem called populating next right pointer in each node. It's basically a mid-level question, so it's sort of a easy level question. Why I'm saying it's an easy level question because you can solve this question orally. What do I mean by that? Let's jump to that. Before that, just read the question. I hope you have read the question, so let's just understand this question by an example. So what they're asking is to point to the left node to the right node. For example, one doesn't have a next node, so we just point it to another. What is the next node to 2? That is 3. For 3 it's null. And similar case goes on with the other nodes, right? And output is that's what the same thing. So how will we solve this? Just observe. Just these questions just need observation and this implementation. That's it. So what is the root next for this? There is no root next, so we just point it to null, right? There is no root next. And what is left pointing to the right? So what we do is root left, root, this is a root. So when we traverse to the left one, so what do we say? Root left next is root right. Am I right or wrong? Right? It's so simple, right? See, we have to point left to the right. What we do? Root left points root left next is root right. Right. So okay. One thing is, I mean, we are done with the one thing, that is, if root if child node has the same root, then we don't have any tension, right? And we also solved that. We also got to know that if there is no root next, if there is no root next, we are just pointing it null because there is nothing other, I mean, next to it. So okay, if it is belonging to the same root, then it's fine. What if it is belonging to this other different root? For example, 5 and 6. 5 belongs to 2. I mean, belongs to 6 belongs to 3. The roots are different. What is the case in this case, right? So yeah, we can solve this. How we can solve this? I mean, if we are arriving to this destination, we know that these tasks are completed, right? Because we are coming from top to bottom. So we already know, if we are in this situation, we already know that this is already computed, right? So what we can do? Can we say that root right next will be root right next will be next of root root just understand once again, I'm just repeating once again. Root right next will be root next left. Can we say that? Can we say that? I'll just repeat again. Root right next will be root next left. Yeah, we can say that, right? Fine. So I think we are done with all 3 cases. Just we have to program it. That's it. So the thing what we said, just let's implement it. So first of all, let's just write a simple base case, which is not too common. That is, if there is no root, just return empty, right? And now, what's the case? If there is a root and if root left exists and if root right exists. This is just a case, so we are just checking if there is root and if there are children to it, right? So in this case, what do we do? In this case, first what did we discuss? We discussed that if root left, if for the same child, what do we do in the same child? Root left next equal to root right, right? Yes, root left next equal to root. That's right. Cool. So what if what will we do for the root right child if there is no next pointer? We'll just point root right next to null because there is nothing child. And what to and we'll also mention a condition if there is root next. If there is root next. If there is root next. Yeah. So what do we do in that case? We just point a root left. Sorry, root. This is the case. This is the case. Root right. Root right next will be root next left is what we discussed, right? And we just traverse to the left and right. That's it. I think we have covered all the cases. Then just return root. Let's see if this works. That's working perfect. Let's just submit this. Yeah, it's working. See, yeah, that's it. So that's what. See, it's really easy. The things that you, as I mentioned, the thing what you said orally, that's what you implement in the code. That's what I said. Observation and just accurate. Observing the problem and solving it. That's what matters, right? Everything. Just like if you're solving a problem, just don't go to the solution quickly. Just try to solve it because if you're just trying to solve it individually, something you'll get. For example, let's assume you're solving this question itself. Just assume like you have solved it partially, like only you solve for this case for the root if there is the same root, and you also, you at that time you just think a lot, right? Can be the next solution? The time your brain, it starts working fine, and also you just go with the different techniques like what if what will be the other cases and all sort of that. What I'm just trying to say is your brain works perfect, so just try your the solution by yourself and just keep coding. And yeah, that's it. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. But yeah, just stay tuned with this channel because we are just coming up with different content. We are not only sticking to coding, that is DSA. We are also coming up with different contents like on the web development, that is full stack, both front and back end, and also ML. In the future videos, we are planning on that too. So just stay tuned with this channel, and yeah, that's it. So if you like the video, just you can like the video and just stay tuned with the channel, and please do subscribe it. Yeah, thank you.